What's good, everybody? Finally, we made it to Saturday. What's going on, everybody? This is Jaden with How to Apple, and in this video we're going to announce my 50 subscriber giveaway winners. We made it to 100 subscribers, so you know what that means. I get to announce 2 winners, and I want to go ahead and start by letting you know what the prize is going to be, because I guess my thumbnail might have been a little clickbaity, so I apologize if it made y'all think I was giving away an iPhone. I'm not giving away an iPhone right now. My channel is way too small for that right now, but maybe when I hit 1,000 subscribers, we might hit that up. So, hey, share my page out. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like, comment on my videos so we can get there and you can be a part of that giveaway. But for now, let's get to our 50 subscriber giveaway. So as you can see, I have the list of all the contestants that are in the giveaway. I don't know if you can see it on this camera. I'm hoping you can. If not, then I have everybody's name listed by a number, and the app that I have is going to choose a random number, and that's going to be the winner. So I'm going to select 2 winners. So let's get started. So I have this app, and it is I have it selecting from 1 to 18. So when I hit the play button, it's going to choose a random number, and that's going to be the winner. So I'm gonna do this in front of the camera just so y'all can see that it is random and the app does what it does. I'm not selecting anybody by favorite or whatever, because there are people in this giveaway that I know in person that might get the giveaway. So I don't wanna do that. I wanna be fair to everybody. So we're gonna choose at random and let's go. All right, so winner number 1. We have some technical difficulties. Take 2. Winner number 1. Uh-oh. Number 7. And then I gotta add. So let's see who number 7 is. Gabriella O'Neill. Congratulations. And you will be winning a $20 gift card either to Amazon, Google, or Apple. So whichever one you have. I noticed I was gonna do just an Apple, on iTunes, whatever it's called, that giveaway, but there seem to be people in here that don't just have Apple, so I opened it up. So if you want something for Amazon, like a nice case or whatever, you got it. So you're the first winner. Let's get on to number 2. All right, so let's see who winner number 2 is. Number 13, Abel. Oh, okay, Abel trying to do something. Well, Abel, you got this prize, and congratulations to both of you. So yeah. So again, you will also be winning a $20 gift card to either Apple, Google, or Amazon. So thank y'all for subscribing to my channel. Thank y'all for supporting my channel. You've been great, all of y'all. I don't know, I got like an extra like 25 subscribers, but only 18 people joined the giveaway. So I'm hoping that other people didn't just join for the giveaway. Obviously they didn't, because they would probably be in it, so that's a good thing. But thank y'all for watching my channel. Thank y'all for supporting my channel. Like, comment on this video if you are mad or whatever the case is. I did it all random. I apologize. I'm sorry. But I want to announce one more thing. This list right here is my first ever giveaway, and that means y'all have been with my channel since the beginning, or not necessarily the beginning, but I still see this as the beginning of my channel. So what I'm gonna do is, when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna keep this list and I'm gonna do a special giveaway just for y'all. Now, I'm not sure, maybe I can save up some stuff and, you know, maybe give everybody a prize, but I think I might just do one special giveaway to this list, since you are the first few, or whatever, the first 18 that stuck with me from the beginning. So thanks. So there you have it, guys. That concludes the end of my 50 subscriber giveaway. And once again, thank you for all you've done. Thank you for your support. And I will catch y'all later. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, because there's going to be more giveaways. Matter of fact, the next giveaway is going to be at 200 subscribers. So hit my channel up, help me get there, share my stuff out, like, watch my videos, comment on my videos, because that helps YouTube say, hey, people are interested in this. So hit me up and stay tuned so you can learn more of how to Apple without the E.